Well, hey, this is Mr. Pearson, and today we are going to be talking about an important dictionary skill called guide words. So, the first thing you might be asking is, what are guide words? Well, guide words are usually found at the top of each page in a dictionary or a glossary. So you've learned that a dictionary is a book of words that will tell you how to spell a word, give you the meaning of a word, give you whether it's a noun, a verb, or an adjective. And you've learned that a glossary is like a miniature dictionary at the back of a book. And so to know if you are looking on the right page, you would use the guide words. And like it said, they are found at the top of each page. And guide words are there to tell you what the first word on that page is and what the last word on the page is. So when you're looking at the guide word, it might say apple. And so the very first word on that page is going to be apple, all the way down to awake. And that will be the very last word on that page. And so any word that's in that book will fall somewhere between apple and awake, and they would be on that page. So here's an example. I need to look up and find the word answer. And so I turn to a page and I see that the guide words are always and appear. So the first word on that page is going to be the word always, and the last word on the page is going to be the word appear. So how am I going to know if the word the answer happens to be on that particular page? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take those three words, always, answer, and appear, and I'm going to put them in alphabetical order. And as you can see here on the screen, that's what I've done. Always comes first. They all start with the letter A. So I'm going to look at the second letter, and L comes before N, and N comes before P. So the word always, answer, and appear are in alphabetical order. And I know that my guide words were always and appear, and answer falls right in the middle. So therefore, answer is going to be on this page. All right, here's another example. Can I find the word bottom on this page with the guide words beneath and bitter? So the first word is beneath, the last word is bitter. Can I find the word bottom on this page? So again, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the words beneath, bottom, and bitter, and I'm going to write them in alphabetical order. You can see they all have the same first letter, a B. So I'm going to look at the second letter. E comes before I, and I comes before O. So in alphabetical order, it would be beneath, bitter, and bottom. And my guide words in this particular case were beneath and bitter. And bottom comes after both of those words. So therefore, bottom is going to be on a different page. If it was in between the two guide words, then it would have been on that page. But because bottom comes after the word bitter, O comes after I, it's going to be on a different page. So again, guide words are words that are usually found at the top of each page in the dictionary or glossary. And they're there to tell you the first word on the page and the last word on the page. And the way that you know if a particular word happens to be on that page is write all three of those words in alphabetical order. And if the word you're looking for is between those two words, then it's going to be on that page. Well, again, my name is Mr. Pearson. Thank you for learning about guide words with me today. I hope that this has been helpful, and I will see you in our next video.